All right, guys, welcome to Kitchen Daddy. This week we're making posh fish and chips with some beautiful grilled tuna and these wonderful chili and chive Asian sweet potato wedges. Guys, this is a perfect, quick date night dish, dead easy to do, so come on, let's get into it. Right, to kick things off, we need to peel our Asian sweet potato. Now guys, Asian sweet potato, they're a little bit like New Zealand kumara. So they're a sweet potato, but they've got a lovely, almost kind of chestnut taste to them. So definitely go and try and find them. Okay, let's chop them into a rough dice. We need some salt, pepper, and olive oil. Now let's give that a really good mix together. We're going to get them in the oven, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. We're going to cook them for about 25 to 30 minutes. We just need to give them a shake and a scrape halfway through, just so we get that lovely golden brown color all over. Now, whilst they're cooking, we need to finely dice one red chili and a good bunch of chives. Those potatoes look absolutely amazing. We're just going to sprinkle over the chili and the chives. Let's give that a really good mix together. And guys, that flavor combination of chili, chives, and sweet potatoes, so sweet, spicy, and savory, is absolutely incredible. Now for the tuna, I've got the griddle pan on a screaming hot heat. We've got a couple of pieces of beautiful albacore tuna here. Let's add some salt, pepper, and a good glug of olive oil. We want to rub that all over. Make sure that the tuna is completely coated in olive oil. Now let's get them onto the griddle pan. And guys, this is going to take no more than kind of like 45 seconds to a minute on each side. As we flip that over, you can see it's got that lovely bar mark on there. That looks absolutely incredible. Let's get that on the plate. We're going to drizzle over a little bit more olive oil, a good squeeze of lemon, and it's time to plate up. Right guys, full disclosure time. You probably saw that kind of sauce on the side there. Well, I actually made this really delicious miso ketchup to go with this. But as soon as I put that all together, tasted it, I went, it is all too much. It was a bit too sweet to go with the sweet potatoes and the tuna. But that combination of the tuna, the lemon to go with the sweet potato, the chives and the chili is fantastic. So all I wanted you guys to do was see this recipe and go, hey, you know what? I can make that dead easy, perfect date night dish. So anyway, if you like it, thumbs up, get in the comments. Love hearing from you. And guys, I will see you next week with another fantastic video. Take care. Bye-bye.